Hi everybody, thank you very much for watching my videos, and thanks to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Today video I want to show you, it came to me the package about Somavedic, so I want to show you the unpacking, and it actually came to me very quickly. We ordered just last week, so we was waiting maybe around week or less, so it came very fast. Actually we was waiting, there is the date, I don't know if you can see it, 15 of March, and today is the 21st. Today is the 21st, so we was waiting around 6 days, 5 days. So it came to Madeira, Portugal, so it gone very fast, so as you can see, it's well packed. This, take it out. There are all the information about this product. There are the products. This is actually the warranty for 5 years, and you have everything right in the date and everything. So let's start. I will have to take it out. We ordered the Medic Urgan. It's the green ultra. You have the certificates here the side, but they have the certificates done. So and now it's here. So it's pretty. It's not that light. This is for the plug-in to the socket. This is the how to work in with it, the manual and everything. This is it. And we receive as well as bonus 2 keychain. There actually looks nice, with the same green ultra inside, as you can see it. So in this one has the power to protect you or clear the energy and protect you from the electric magnetic pollution in the distance 5 meters or 10 meters. It depends where you have it. If you have it in a pocket, it will be 5 meters. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. It's actually beautiful color, so you can plug it in. It is everything inside, and then you just plug it in. It's Somavedic, and I'm sure that it will work perfectly, and because I believe in it, and so I highly recommend it, and I will inform you about how the changes on the energies are and everything. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Please stay tuned for more videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.